All right. Welcome back to my channel. This is Jvzoo affiliate dashboard. Right away, I'm going to show you how to request for approval and how you can register on Jvzoo. This Jvzoo is an affiliate company. It's digital marketing company. It's available for every country. Okay, let me jump into it so that you're gonna see everything I'm telling you. First, okay. If you are to register on this Jvzoo account, just click jvzoo.com, then you fill your name, your password, then select your country. Okay, let me check. Nigeria is here. Okay, Nigeria is here. Cool. Every country is here. I believe that you guys are in a good place to do this. Okay, once you fill out your name, your email, your password, then you confirm your password, you click register, then it will take you to this verification. You went and verify your email, then you select your payout account, that is a PayPal or Payoneer. Okay, then you can see the recommended tools there, but this is not what I'm going to teach you. The next time I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how to request for approval. Okay, all right. Now for approval, if you want to request for approval in Jvzoo account very fast for you to get approval, then let me see how many products I have. Then if you want to know how many products that they have approved, if you want to know the amount of products that have been approved for you to promote, then you quickly go to this affiliate quick start, then you click it. Once you click this affiliate quick start, it will not take you to where your affiliate how many products that have been approved. Okay, then you see how many products that you have been approved. This is 238 products that have been approved. I can now promote them myself. Copy the link. You see it. You can, if you want to promote this one, you can click get link, then highlight and copy it. Okay, then you promote it anywhere, social media, anywhere. Facebook does not allow you to promote this direct. All you need to do is go to google.com, then create your landing page, then use it and be promoting it anyway. Okay, that is not what we are here today. What we are here is to show you how to request for approval fast. Then the trick on how you can request for approval so that they will approve it very fast. Okay, let's jump into it right away. Then it goes to find products. Click on find products. Once you click on find products, it will not take you to other page. See all this page, you can see this request approval, request for approval, request for approval, request for approval. But right now, some people don't know how to request for approval. They will just write some words that those guys will not recognize the word. They will not approve your request. For you to request approval, I'm going to show you how to request approval so that they will approve your product so fast. Okay, right now let me show you. From this one, let me use this as an example. Okay, you click on request approval. Okay, it's coming up. All right. Okay. Oh, that's cool. This is the amount of the selling. This is the amount they pay you. 50% of this 257 USD. Okay, they will pay this amount. Once they pay this, they will pay you the 50% of this. Okay, now to request approval, you click this get approved. Then before you get approved, now let me say you send a message to them. Step to send the message. Let me show you guys. Okay. Good day. And question mark. Please I request to promote promote this amazing and great products using my website and my social media account to promote this offer. So stop. Okay, good day. Please, I request to promote this amazing and great products using my website and my social media account to promote this offer. Okay, thanks. This is the capture that if you write such thing like this, if you can copy this, if you can screenshot it, it's okay for you guys. This word is the word they needed to know to see if you are able or capable to do what, to promote their affiliate link. Although you might not have any website for you to promote it, but tell them that you use website to do that. You can use many websites to promote it. Okay, you can use traffic rotator. You can use many. It's a lot. Just jump into YouTube. You can see many of them you can use to promote or use your social media. But you have to use any site to bridge the URL. Then you bridge the affiliate link. You have to bridge it, because you cannot paste this link direct to your Facebook. You cannot paste the link direct to your Facebook. They will block it immediately. All you need to do is just go to googlesite.com and create a short landing page and paste your link. Then copy the link from your Google site, paste it in your Facebook. You can promote it there. They will not ban it anymore because you have already bridged the link. Okay. Just after that, you click this. I am not a robot. Once you have done that, also you have to click the other one. Okay, let's select what is required. Okay, cross-link. When this is what you have to, you click verify. That's cool. You click this. I have read and followed any instruction of this. Okay, vendor. Now you click request approval. Okay, once they approve this, they will send you an email that this product has been approved. Okay, that's great. Once you click this, they will now send you an email. Right? This product has been approved. You can get a link and start promoting. That's all. The way I tell you now, you click again, you go back again, you can request for approval again. Another product you can request for approval. Let me refresh this and see what it's telling me here. But this product I requested for this, is pending. See, this one is pending. I have to find another one that is verified or have funnel. Anyway, that it has funnel or this diamond is cool and can be so fast. You can promote it and it can sell so fast and you make a big amount of money daily. Okay, I want to have a request for another one. For you to request for another one, let me show you another way to request. Okay. Alright. Okay. Request for this one. This one is pending. I request for this. Okay. I'm looking for the one that has a big amount of money, so that once I promote, then I make big amount of money. Okay, yes, that's cool. Also, you look at the percentage. Although this one doesn't have a percentage enough, but it's okay. 75% is cool. This one is 0, this one is 0, this one is 30. That's cool. It has a big percentage. Okay, this one I want to request for this. I request for this. Okay, request for approval. And another way of requesting for approval, short words. If you don't want to write a bigger word for this, please, I request permission to promote this product. That's cool. Okay, just click this, please. Please, then comma, I request permission to promote this product. Full stop. You click this. Okay. After that, you select tech. Okay, to show you which one to select. Okay, this, like, okay, that could be it's 3, right? Okay, you click. Oh no, I fell. You come again. That's cool. All right, click request approval. That's all. Then later, like a day after you have been requested for this, later a day you have to go to your email and check. If you didn't see it in your inbox, you check your spam folder or important. In your email, you check important, you check spam folder, and check your main account. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also share this video and